Hi guys, it is around 10 in the night and of course my kitchen is upside down because we have just had dinner and had so much fun cooking. We made coconut fish curry and ugali and greens and it was really yummy. We enjoyed it. So I want to reset my kitchen for tomorrow because I have come into the habit of not leaving my kitchen dirty. So welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Shiro and on this channel I just do videos on cleaning motivation, motherhood. Sometimes I vlog, but mostly just things that evolve around daily homemaking. So karibu to the channel if this is your first time, and if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, I really appreciate you and I thank you for being here.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
It's not like I have the energy to do this right now, but I know that I am going to be thanking myself tomorrow when I wake up. As you can see, it is almost 11 p.m. but I decided before I sleep, since if I get into bed I am not going to sleep immediately, I decided that I can do something constructive with my time. So I am putting away the dishes that we had washed during the day. Previously I had mentioned after decluttering that we no longer use the dishwasher to put dishes to dry, but then I did shopping and we had a lot of vegetables, so I had to store them on the counter like so. So we just put the dishes to dry in the dishwasher. But I have realized when we are using the dishwasher for dishes, we end up accumulating so many dishes because there is a lot of space to put the dishes. So you find that we are not washing dishes as often as we should. But when I use this black stand as the dish stand, then the dishes don't accumulate as much, because when you need to put them away, there is, you need to create space for more dishes. So I don't know, I am still kind of weighing how people are behaving after this decluttering and just to see how we are managing the kitchen, but it works. I'm not complaining. I also like washing dishes nowadays because it just gives me time to just relax and think and calm my mind. Like I just take it as a me time, quiet time moment. I really don't mind. And then the dishes are not at that many. It's just that they are tudogo twingy so they look many, but they are not many. Once I clean them, once they dry, every dish has its own place, so even putting away is not as difficult as it used to be before, because it is easy to put them away where they're supposed to be. So I'm just going to clean this up. Follow along, get motivated. If you're also up in the middle of the night and you don't have anything to do, just go and start washing your dishes or do something do something motivating.
Lifting a burden that I've carried for so long, and 10,000 mountains weighing on my soul. And I can't remember when my shame had picked it up, but one thing I know, I've never walked alone. No. 'Cause you're faithful to the end, and closer than a friend, and your love will never fail. In every season you are there, faithful to the end. Oh God, you never left in my heaven or my hell. Forever, always walking beside me. Yeah. Walking beside me. Forever, always walking beside me. I'll keep on going to your cloud up in the sky. I feel your heart and know that there's a plan. Yeah. I trust your word that your grace and mercy are right behind. And we're gonna make it there to the promised land. Oh, faithful to the end, closer than a friend, and your love will never fail. In every season you are there, faithful to the end. Oh God, you never left in my heaven or my hell. Forever, always walking beside me. Yeah. What a faithful God. How faithful you are. Yeah. What a faithful God. How faithful you are. Faithful to the end, and closer than a friend, and your love will never fail. In every season you are there. Faithful to the end. Oh God, you never left in my heaven or my hell. Forever, always walking beside me. Oh, beside me. Walking beside me. Yeah. Forever, always walking beside me. Beside me. Walking beside me. Yeah. Forever, always walking beside me. Yeah. Beside me. Yeah. Walking beside me.
I used to be that kind of person who would watch people say, oh, I can never go to bed with a dirty sink, clean your sink before you go to sleep, don't leave the. And I was just like, with what energy? For who? For why? I'm in my own house, so whether I go to sleep with dirty dishes or not, what is your business? And I would just be like that in my heart. And then one day I decided to try. I was just like, okay, not like I have never washed dishes, but then I decided to like try and make it a habit just for a couple of days and try and go to bed without leaving dirty dishes in the sink. So I decided to try, and I was just like, kumbe, this is the peace that comes with cleaning your kitchen at night. And ever since I decluttered, I think that was the game changer for me. And I think you guys are going to hear me refer to this decluttering so much mpaka mtachoka nayo, but just understand that this decluttering, I think, was the real game changer for me. And it just changed how my kitchen runs like 360 degrees from 0 to 100, because ever since I decluttered, like managing my kitchen has become so much easier. That is why I can be standing here at 11 p.m. washing dishes and cleaning the kitchen and not mind, because I know that it does not take me as much time and it does not take me as much energy either to wash dishes or to put them away, because now everything has its own place. So even when the dishes dry, I know where they are going. I am not going to be struggling figuring out where to put what or what goes where. Like everything just has its own place. And even when I call my kids and tell them, okay, put away the dishes, they know where everything is going. So it doesn't take them long. So the level of complaining has also gone down. And the energy that we use on chores, like cleaning the kitchen and putting away dishes, has also gone down. So if you're still sitting there wondering or procrastinating on decluttering, please do it. I will not stop emphasizing on minimizing the amount of things that you have. And even if you cannot minimize, at least have a place for every single thing, so that everybody knows this is where a spoon goes, this is where a pot goes, this is where a bakuli goes, like that. And that is going to save you a lot of energy and a lot of stress. So me going to bed knowing that tomorrow morning I am going to wake up with a clean kitchen is just like an is just like an energy booster. knowing that I am not going to be waking up starting to look for a sufuria to make tea, or a pan to make pancakes or something, or a cup to give the kids breakfast. Like, it is just so much peace. It gives me so much peace. And now I can be an advocate of clean your kitchen before you go to bed. I am not saying that it has to be 100% perfect. Sometimes I do leave a bit of dishes, but then you clean the bulk of it, like plates, spoons, cups. Those ones you can clean. Pots, sufurias, those ones you can leave them to soak, but then the small things, just wash. It doesn't take a lot of time. Take 5 minutes, because most of the times we just go to bed, we take the phone, we are scrolling. If you have a TV, you're there watching TV. So that time that you're spending to scroll on your phone, scroll on TikTok, watch YouTube, watch other people's videos, take that time, be in the kitchen, watch that video while you're in the kitchen. Watch those TikToks while you're in the kitchen doing something constructive, because we've become such a world of just consume, and then we're not even doing anything constructive for ourselves. We'd rather spend that energy scrolling and watching other things than doing things that are of benefit to us. I don't know if I am making sense.
Water crashing at my feet. I saw a blue horizon turning gray. I was wandering, looking for a key. Echoes of your love surrounding me. Listen, I've searched high and low, almost gave up, let it go. I should have been standing here alone, but here we are. This moment together, like heaven. I'm in awe when I'm with you. I've chosen. You're the one I've waited for, and forever I will promise my heart to you. Ooh. Yeah. Beauty shining in your eyes, all eternity there in your smile. Yeah. And these pearly gates they can't deny all the majesty you have inside. Oh, I thought I would never find you. This moment together, like heaven. I'm in awe when I'm with you. I've chosen. You're the one I've waited for, and forever I will promise my heart to you, to you, yeah. And with each step we will climb every mountain high. In the shadows we will find all the joy that's deep inside. On every road, every time I'll be by your side. Not a question how I feel. Can't believe that this is real. This moment together, like heaven. I'm in awe when I'm with you. I've chosen. You're the one I've waited for, and forever I will promise my heart to you. This moment Listen, I've searched high and low, almost gave up, let it go. I should have been standing here alone, but here we are.
I am done, and I just wanted to remind you that in anything that you do, it is not about perfection, it is about progress. So even if you make one progress at a time, do one thing at a time that makes you feel better and helps you work towards a goal that you are working on. So for me, this was a good start, and I don't know if I can go back to like living my kitchen in, that messy state that I used to live it in. I think that is one thing that I have purposed to work on. And you can do anything can happen for you. Our main weapon is our brain. It is our brain that we need to convince. It is our mindset that needs to change. In whatever you do, your heart can want to do anything in this world, but your mindset is what you need to work on. So I finish here for now, and I guess we will see you tomorrow. I am happy I have accomplished something and I can go to bed in peace. Hope you have gotten motivated, and we'll see you in our next motivational video. Baraka tele.